Here we have a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Crew Cab with the all-terrain package in dark slate gray, 28,000 mile, clean Carfax, one owner, super sharp truck, has a leveling kit on the front, really a bold stance. The all-terrain package gives it all kinds of looks. This dark slate gray is really attractive color. Just giving you a quick little tour here. You can see high intensity headlamps there, LED fogs, got your lower tow hooks. We got your nice bold face GMC chrome grille, also with the grayed out inserts on your GMC logo, really a sharp kind of contrast. Also want to point out here, we do have the park sense on the front bumper like most vehicles have on the rear. It has it on the rear as well, but really kind of helps you get the truck where you need to go, not bumping into anything. So as we come around to the side, you can see this is the really sharp 20-inch alloy wheel here with the dark graphite painted pockets. I call it the spider web wheel. It's really a sharp wheel. It's my favorite wheel, actually, that they put on these GMCs. Tires are good. They're probably about 6 to 8/32, so half tread or better. They're a Goodyear Wrangler SRA. You can see the nice shiny front rotor there as well. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of that mechanical inspection signed by the mechanic that performed it in the glove box of all of our vehicles. Right now we're giving you a shot through the front passenger side. You can see you have a full power passenger seat with power lumbar 8-way. Nice option. Not a lot of vehicles have that. Also, you have the full leather seating here with offset red stitching. We got full console that runs in between two bucket seats, dark charcoal carpeting. You can see we have the upgraded Bose sound on this vehicle. Really a sharp truck. You can see some of that red piping runs throughout the dash here, a little bit of brushed aluminum accents. So it's really a sharp truck. We also got the chrome door sill entry guards that say all-terrain. The WeatherTech floor mats that are in here, as you can see, that's also an expensive upgrade anymore, floor mats, but these are the WeatherTech, and they're really a nice feature to have. Now, this truck's well accessorized. We also got the GMC molded factory mud flaps on the front and the rear. We got the full tubes that run door to door, your black step tubes here. We'll go ahead and jump in the back. Like I say, we got the WeatherTech complete molded mats in the rear here as well. You can see the crew cab model, very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. Really nice, comfy truck to ride in the back. Does have your standard box, 5.5-foot box here. Also to show you the matching Goodyear wheel, nice scuff-free Spider 20-inch alloy, and you can see nice shiny rear rotor there as well. There you see the factory molded mud flaps on the rear. You got your step bumper. There you can see your ultrasonic park assist. We do have the rear view camera there as well. Class 3 tow hitch. Got your integrated 7-way round 4-way flat trailer harness. See the full-size spare right in there. Let's go ahead. Should have the easy drop tailgate. You can see comes down. The spray-in factory spray-in bed liner is in the back of this truck as well. So, I mean, it's got it all. Power sliding rear window. You can see that there. Continuing around to the other side, just to show you again, matching Goodyear tires, scuff-free wheel. Also want to show you this frame. You can see no rust on the frame. A little bit of surface, superficial, but nothing. Nice black factory paint there, no issues there as well. Continuing over here, just give you a shot from the driver's side on the rear. Very clean interior, no rips, tears, stains, or odors. Well maintained by the previous owner. And see the all-terrain badging on the door. Let's go ahead and pop open the front here. See full power seat on the driver's side as well. I want to kind of go through, give you a little tour. This vehicle is very well equipped. So let's just give you a little tour here. You got your memory seating on this SLT model, which is nice. You also have your window locks, your child locks, power windows, power locks, power folding mirrors, power mirrors, of course. Let's go ahead and step up. Of course, I told you it has 28,000 miles. It's a one owner. Show you the auto history, which is clean. There you see, one owner. No issues. Let's go ahead and start this truck. Oh, I want to show you the key fob as well. See remote start. Got your integrated fob there. We have 2 keys. Laser cut key. Put our foot on the brake. Start this thing up. I think I told you 28,000 miles. See 28,615 to be exact. Let's continue the tour. Integrated trailer brake control. electronic shift on the fly transfer case, cluster dimmer, push button for your fog, automatic headlamps. To the left, intermittent wiper washer, side beams, turn signals, cruise control here, heated steering wheel, really a nice feature. Bluetooth, control pad for your customizable dash. See, I'll just scroll through a couple of your options there: tripometer, instant fuel economy, oil life, tire pressure system, digital speedometer, all that good stuff. Got your shifter, column shifter here, tow haul button on the outside. Got your ability to select any of the multi-gears on the automatic transmission on the end. What else we got? Heat seats, how about that? Full radio, big touchscreen, Bose sound, as I said before, AM, FM, satellite, pair your phone. Does not have factory nav. One option it doesn't have. Ability to text, call. Of course, all vehicles from GM are equipped with OnStar, as you can see there. Subscription service, of course. And then, of course, you have your audio controls here if you prefer to use them over the touchscreen. We do have dual temperature control with automatic temp setting. See those there. Of course, other temperature controls below. Got your power pedals here, which is a nice feature. Traction control off. There's your cargo light. Got your parking lights. Got your downhill descent control. Two 12-volt power supplies, as you can see. Two 110 power supplies, as you can see. So all the power you need right there. Nice big well to keep your stuff. Got two large cup holders in the console. Nice compartmentalized. We also have two USBs and an audio pre out there. So connectivity, we got it. There's your power folding sliding rear view mirror. Also, we got your power sunroof, as you can see here. I'll just go ahead and slide that shade back so you can see it is equipped with the sunroof. So, very nice option. Now, I believe this truck has the 5.3. It could possibly have the 6.2. So, let's go ahead and pop this hood and see what we got. See where we got the big 6.2 Corvette, or whether we got the Camaro engine, excuse me, or whether we got the 5.3. Both are excellent engines. 6.2, I believe. Yeah, how about that? 6.2 big boy engine. So you can see extremely clean. No corrosion on the terminals. Extremely quiet. Give you all the power you possibly need. Like new. Even though it has 28,000 miles, it looks like it has 2,000 miles when you look inside this engine. Very well maintained by the previous owner. So let's go ahead and shut the truck off. We'll get into the next portion of the video. Really something I believe that sets us apart from a lot of dealerships. Not only are we completely upfront and transparent in our pricing, mechanical condition based off of our inspection process I told you of earlier, but also the cosmetic condition. So my job right now, be your eyes and ears, point out anything that would make this truck otherwise less than perfect, like the tiniest of stone chips right there. It's really what I'm going to do. Pick it apart a little bit, be your eyes and ears. We get an awful lot of people that come here. Tiny little minor scratch right there. It's just into the clear coat. A lot of people that come a long way, and part of the reason they do is because we try to be as completely upfront, couple little scratches there as possible. But like I said, this is a one-owner vehicle, clean Carfax. No signs of any prior paint. All the body lines are nice and straight, clean. There's a little scratch on the bedside there, about an inch long. Otherwise, looks pretty good. A little bit of scratch here on the tailgate, couple little chips, couple little scratches there, as you can see. A couple little nicks on this protective bed cap cover. That's what it's there for. A little scratch there. Tailgates is typically where you'll get a little bit of damage. People that use trucks, they use them, and you know, doesn't take long to put a little mark in them. Bumper was good. This bedside looks good. A couple little minor scratches there that we buffed out. Looks fine. Looking at the door here now, I haven't really noticed any dents to speak of. Looks good. Little chip right there. And a little chip right there. Of course, we're going to get a couple here throughout the front nose cone, a little bit of bug damage. Really unavoidable, but just want to point everything out. A couple little chips here on the hood as well. But as you can see, guys, excellent vehicle. A couple little scrapes and chips on the hood and in the tailgate area. It's probably the nastiest ones right there, but excellent, excellent truck. Considering all the options, leveling kit, low mileage, great condition, sharp look, save thousands and thousands over new. Still has the remainder of GMC's comprehensive powertrain warranties. So if you're interested, I don't expect this truck to stay here long. A couple of different ways of getting a hold of us. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224 or look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. Appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.